Super 8 by Wyndham Canton. Depend on the friendly staff and services at our Super 8 Canton Hotel, located a 30-minute drive to Jackson Medgar Wiley Evers International Airport, and nearby companies like Nissan Motor Co. Limited, Pico Foods, Inc., and Tower Automotive. Enjoy access to guest laundry, parking for large vehicles, a fitness center, business center, and free wireless internet. Our pet-friendly hotel serves a free hot breakfast daily from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Upgrade your room to a guest suite with a microwave and refrigerator. We also have a seasonal outdoor pool. Enjoy the attractions of Greater Canton, including Canton Flea Market, the Antique and Gift Square of Mississippi, the historic Canton Train Depot and Train Museum, Jackson Zoo, and several local shopping malls. We are located within a half-hour drive of the Mississippi Braves and their home ballpark in Pearl. www.super8cantonms.com